Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video you are going to learn how to draw a diagonal line through a cell in Excel. So to present it more clearly, first of all we will increase the size of this cell, and after that we will go in borders, and from borders here you can see the option more borders, and you can see here you can put this diagonal line like that or like that, and after selecting this line click on OK. You can see the cell is splitted by a diagonal line into two halves. To enter text, click in this or click here and write how to tech and align it upward and align it upward, and to insert the text in right side press Alt and enter and write the text how to tech, and go in start, and by space you can move to it in other part. This is how you can draw a diagonal line through a cell and write the text in both halves. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.